Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? I am here with my last 2 pages that I did to complete my scrapbook album. They're probably not in the right order that I completed them, but these are 2 pages that I made. We did an all-day crop with my girls, and we hung out all day on the first Saturday of the year, and we just did a Zoom virtual scrapbook. And so everybody worked on their own projects, and I decided I was going to finish my scrapbook album, one of the scrapbook albums that I had. I only had 8 pages, so I was like, I got to do this. So I'm so proud of myself that I did it. I got 8 pages in one day, which I've never done that many pages in one day, and I didn't have my cord for my Cricut, so I was like, uh-oh. But I did have, some backgrounds that I had already previously cut out, from one of, I think it was the, oh gosh, I just forgot the name of the cartridge that it would be on in Design Space or whatever, or the name of this particular background that I used. But if you need it, just let me know and I can find it for you. I know what it is. But anyway, so I cut that out, and I already had those 2 already sitting in my box, so that I keep my 12 by 12, my creative memory box, that I keep my potential layouts, papers and stuff in. And so I pulled those out, and I said, you know, I can go ahead and make, I made 2 of those, so I might as well use those to go ahead and make me some backgrounds since I can't get on my Cricut, and add some of the other elements that I wanted. So I just had to pull out some things that I had for embellishments, and I had these sticker set, 2 of these, and I got those, I think, from Ollie's or somewhere. And then since the album thing was about robots, I had got these, so I said, well, I'll just stick them on these pages since I couldn't cut out the fonts, the words that I wanted to say on these layouts, and I just had some of the background robots that I had already previously cut out, and just matted a picture and stuck it up there in both of these, and just called it a day, and made it very plain and simple with the same puppy sticker and some robots and the gears in the background, and boom, 2 layouts, simple and quick. Yes, nothing fancy, but I was excited it was done because I did these as well the same day. And then I did those 2, and I did those 2. So that concluded my scrapbook album that I was doing. I started this, oh gosh, I don't know, a year ago on the robots, and I've posted these pictures before. So now this will finish. I've shown all of these pictures before on videos, and this one was another one that was used with the template, a different template. But anyway, so I showed all these pictures. These were used with templates as well, recipe templates by Creative Memories. And so this album is now complete because I only needed these few little pages. These 4 pages, which would have been 8 pages, and then that's it. So I am officially finished my album. I can put my pictures in here, and this one is done. Oh, it feels so good when you complete an album, especially when you don't scrap enough. So I'm glad I did that. So anyway, just encouraging you, if you're trying to finish a project, to do the same. I know how it feels when you have that project sitting in the back of your mind, you don't want to go back to it, but when you finally do, it feels so good to complete it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.